Hi guys, good morning. For today's video, we're going to do the unboxing of this creative high performance under monitor soundbar. So we have actually we bought this for 75 euro, and then husband also buy this optical cable, yeah, for 20 euro. So the total cost is 95 euro. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do the unboxing now. It says here inside there's a sub bar, and then there's what do you call it? Woofer. Yeah, and then there's a remote here. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys, and then later we're gonna test it. So I have this here. So it'll be easy to open. We have a 49 inches LG guys TV, so we're always watching movie in Netflix. That's why I think we need it. So we're gonna have a good sound. Okay. I don't want to copy to help me. I cannot open it. Okay. Oh, so this is the remote control. Okay, let's open first the remote control. Yeah. So it's a simple remote control. It doesn't have battery. No, yeah, it doesn't have battery. You have to prepare one battery, I think, because it's. And then there's a cable here. Okay, let's set aside that first. And then this is the sub bar. So this is the size, guys. It's like, yeah, it's very slim. It's very sleek. Yeah, very nice. It's black, and then the cord. Okay, it actually has cable here, cable wire. I think for the power. And then let's open. I think there's two more boxes here. Yeah, I think there's two more boxes here. But seems nothing inside. Only one more. So this is the woofer. So it's also sleek. Yeah. Okay. So it's not so heavy, guys. So see, I can carry it. And it's very slim. Yeah, it's very nice. Okay, we're gonna try this, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna set up it here. So this is our this is our TV, and then this is the sub bar. Okay, I'm gonna place the sub bar here. It's correct, maybe. Sub bar will be here. like this, and then lower the back. Center, is it center? But the sensor, I can cover the sensor.
I think it's close to the body.
It's okay?
What's that?
And then the subwoofer. You call it subwoofer or you just woofer only? Subwoofer. So you can still use this. Then here to attach where? Behind. So long the wire. So I'm doing the installation. Where I'm going to. This is where I'm going to. So we're going to the subwoofer. We're going to place this, insert this here. 4Q US. What's that USB? Okay. Done. Then we can plug now. What else? Okay guys, I have this optical cable here. So one is for the TV and then one is for the sound bar here. So we're gonna attach it behind. So we're gonna attach it here. Let's see. Yeah. Then one side I'm gonna attach there. Okay, at the back of the subbar, there is you can see here AUX, optical or TV. So we're gonna insert it at optical here. This is the same like that I need to. Okay. I guess. Yeah, it's locked. I'm gonna do it now. This is done. Okay. So now guys, we have to go to the settings of the TV and then choose the creative so we can able to use the speaker. Sorry guys, you can't able to understand. It's in Greek language.